welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 22nd of July, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Alrighty, guys, we are a third of the way through the summer. The summer is a third over.
Almost half of the way through. Well, we are over half the way through the year.
We're getting through this year right quickly. Alright, guys, let's move on.
Maybe next show we'll start putting out our Christmas list.
Alright, this week in the shop and projects completed. Not a lot done in the shop because of the bathroom next door, but we'll talk about more of that in just a second. Loretta finished up a kind of short order Sesame Street signpost that had to be done for a birthday party this past weekend for her good friend that we do a lot of weddings and party stuff for. So she knocked that out like about 1 o'clock in the morning on Friday. It would have been actually Friday morning.
Friday morning, so I could take it to her Friday morning.
So it was a short notice, but it was done and delivered, and I understand went over quite well.
Yes, it did. It's so cute. She got one of the styrofoam balls to put on the top of it, so it actually looks like a lamppost.
Oh, it looks like the whole thing. So that's cool. That's good. I'm glad it turned out. I didn't get to see any of that.
I'll get her to send me a picture.
Alrighty, we continued to work on the bathroom over at the Yellow House, getting it done, worked on the bedrooms, got a lot done, got everything ready for everybody to show up for this weekend. And of course, Corey Reebok couldn't make it, had some stuff come up in the last notice, but Michael and Dakota made it. But didn't quite finish the bathroom up, but we're going to be working on that over
this week. It'll be done
next week.
Yep.
So get it done. But that was primarily what we did, except for the big birthday bash extravaganza that we went to. It was
for
great.
Dana.
That's right.
5.
The Butterbean hit 5 years old. Had a great time Saturday. Good food, good people. Just had a great time. Played in the water, splashed in the water, even though it was warm. With the water and everything, it was pretty cool. So if you got a little bit warm, you can always run down through the unicorn sprinkler and get cooled off. So it was a good time. And of course, if you really got real warm, you could step inside the house and hang out in the house.
Hang out in the house because it was nice in there.
It really, really nice.
It was nice outside, really.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. I didn't think it was bad.
We put the tent up.
Yeah, especially with our little tent up that we take to shows. And then we had a swimming pool, kids.
Yeah,
Swimming pool up there after the party was over, soaking our feet in that. And Butterbean walked around for a while and sprayed my legs with the little
I don't know what they are.
Super
soakers, is that what those are?
Yeah, so had a great time there. Alrighty, guys, let's move on.
Poor Unicorn, though, kept falling over in the wind.
Unicorn had a tough time. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. What are we up to next? Well, we've got to get ready for a royal visit. That's right, we have royalty coming to Raysville this week. Come by and visit us. That's right, the King is coming. The King is coming, and he's going to borrow the trailer either Wednesday or Thursday. He's got to pull a tractor someplace, and I think he's coming back the week after that. So we got to get that trailer ready this evening, get it unhooked from the truck, and get it ready to go for him to be picked up. Next thing on the list to get done, I'm going to make a flattened out area over there next to Apache's Pen. Well, actually in Apache's Pen, where we're going to put all fresh cut lumber, which that's coming up just in time because we have 8 pine trees, not 8 pine logs, 8 pine trees coming this weekend. Daniel, Big Daddy D, will be renting a skid steer with a grapple bucket on it so we can load up the logs. I think they're all cut up and ready to go. All we'll need to do is pick them up, set them on the trailer. We'll have 2 trailers, 2 trucks running, bringing those over. I'm expecting, and I have no idea for sure, but I'm expecting anywhere from about 24 to 32 logs, depending on the length of the logs. And we got to get those cut up. Now, when we get those cut, when we get them cut up, now we're not cutting up logs, we're sawing lumber. So when we get those,
much better term.
The lumber all sawn, I want to have a covered area to put that, because you know, as much as I hate to say it, most of the time we've been cutting this stuff and just trying to cover it up with tin and stuff. We took all those loads over to Daniel's house that we're going to be using over his place, put them up on his carport, and that is some gorgeous looking wood. Gorgeous looking wood. So we're going to build a couple of areas out here, nothing fancy, just something to keep the rain off everything, keep it out of direct sunlight, so we can start protecting this investment just a little bit better. So I'll be working on that this evening. Matter of fact, once I get the video started to be uploaded to the old YouTube, I'll be out there on the tractor. It's got the scrape blade on it, and I'll be starting to work on that. But we got to pick up 8 pine trees starting on Saturday. And then we're going to continue to work on the bathroom, and a little bit on the laundry room. get it started. But we got to get that bathroom all completed. Really all we got to do is finish up on the plumbing and set the fixtures, and that's really it.
And Wednesday I'm picking up the corrugated metal.
That's it. And we got to put up some, and then we got to do some painting and some trim, but all that is just stuff we can do along the way. But
at least it'll be usable.
Yeah, we're thinking hopefully this week can have it usable by the end of the weekend, depending on how the tree rescue goes. But looking forward to getting that bathroom done, the laundry room done. And then the other things we talked about last week need to get done. Alrighty guys, let's move on. It really is some good sweet tea. And y'all got to excuse this air conditioner because like I said, it is not turning off until the end of August. I'm sorry it's noisy, but it's hot.
Better wait till September. It's a hot year.
That's it. All right. Well, that is about it, I think, for this evening, unless you have anything.
Just thank you, Butterbean, for a stupendous party. Mom and Dad did a great job. There's some of our wonderful tie-dye shirts in the background. It was a tie-dye party. So that's Papa's. That's Mima's, that's Tay-Tay's, and that is Dakota's.
Yeah, those come out really looking good. They're ready to wear now. So
yes, they are.
We've got those all completed. Thanks again, Butterbean, Daniel, and Kimmy. We had a great time. You put on a really good party.
Yes, they did.
Great time. I do think that's about it for this evening, unless you have anything else.
No, sir.
As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Oh, God. Second sound check.
Hi, everybody.
I was like,
It was like he's not saying anything.
You didn't cue me for the sound check. I was like,